kayaking on the Little Manistee River today. It's freaking gorgeous. Beautiful river, not very developed. We're probably, I don't know, not too far from Josh's property. Let's see if this probably works. Well, that clearly didn't work. There's enough down trees and stuff in this river that I don't really like having my hands on the GoPro, but it is beautiful here. Anyway, not the usual hiking video, but something a little different. A little.
Kingfisher up there.
Nice. Just saw a little trout or something jump there, a little fry. Don't want to hit that. Alright, that's probably enough of this. Anyway, having a great time. Beautiful river, beautiful part of the world. Super happy to be here, and need to navigate my kayak, so I'm going to shut this off.